Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, welcome back to today's class. We are the class here now. Class 3. Class 3 and what is our subject? Can you tell me? Yes, science. Okay. What we have discussed in the previous class, do you remember anything? What we have learned? Yes, we have discussed about safety rules in school. How we should be safe at school. Whether we should follow the safety rules in the school, home, or as well as on road also. So, how we should be take care of ourselves, we have discussed in the previous class. Means we have to listen to the parents, teachers, and we should follow the class rules, and we should respect each other. We should play safely. Like that, we have discussed yesterday some of the points. Today, we are going to look after the safety during an earthquake. What is the main thing? Today, we are going to learn safety during an earthquake. Safety during an earthquake. Safety during. Do you know earthquake? Yes, safety during on earthquake. Earthquake. Okay, fine. Safety during an earthquake. What is meant by earthquake? Can you tell me what is meant by earthquake? Yes, one of the natural calamities means some of the things which will be caused by the nature. Means like volcanoes, earthquakes, and next tsunami. These are the things which are okay. These are the different things which are occurred by the nature. Why sometimes nature get angry? How we will get angry on our parents or ourselves? Yes, sometimes if your parents have scolded you, you will get angry, right? The same manner, nature means the surroundings will get some of the seriousness or we can say some of the anger. At that time, they behave like a volcano eruption, the same manner or the earthquake, something like that. To understand you, I told you that nature get angry. But actual meaning is that inside the earth there will be many boiling substances. Because of those substances, always the earthquake may occur, or due to some of the internal changes in the earth, these are the natural calamities will occur due to the internal change of the earth. To understand you, I told you that nature will get angry, the simple meaning. But normally, the scientific reason is internally the globe is like a globe means the earth is like a ball. Inside the ball, what will happen? Who don't know? Who knows? No one knows. So that according to the movement in the earth, some of the natural calamities like earthquake, volcano eruptions, tsunami, or floods may occur. Today we are going to know about especially the earthquake. What is meant by earthquake? Do you know? Yes. What is meant by earthquake here? Sudden shaking of the earth. Sudden shaking of earth. Normally, earth will rotate. First thing you have to understand that the earth means the ball, which is the ball, you can say the earth. Earth will rotate itself. Sometimes sudden shaking. By rotating, it may shake its body. So, sudden shaking of the earth is called as the earthquake. What is the meaning of earthquake here? Sudden shaking, the movement of the earth suddenly without any intimation or without any information. Earth will not tell us, I am coming, I am going to shake, like that. It does not inform us. So that sudden shaking of earth is called as earthquake. What will happen if the earthquake occurs? The whole part of our earth will be collapsed. Means the gap occurs between the two layers or the two parts of the earth. Suppose now the flat part is our earth. When the earthquake occurs, it will be going to be cracked or it will be going to get the distance. That is nothing but the earthquake. How we should be safe while during the earthquake? Yes. Don't run out of the building, building during earthquake. During earthquake. Yes, I am telling you once again, the point you should understand it very clearly. Don't run out of the building during earthquake. If suddenly we feel that something in our house, if the earthquake occurs, our tube lights, fans, and whatever the equipment in our house, whatever the things in our house, they are going to shake. At that time, we should run immediately from the house. Suppose you can observe if the earthquake is very high, means the movement of the earth is very large. Then the ceiling fan will fall down, tube lights will fall down, windows will fall down, doors will fall down. At that time, we should not come out from the building. We should not come out from the building. Why? Because if we are running away from the building, almost the building will be the shaking. So that we may be under crush. We may be crushed. Means our building mottham mana meeda padipovadaniki chance undi. So to avoid that, we should be in the safe place. In the house itself, we should be safe. How? Yes. Under the tables or under the table, or you can say bed, whatever the wooden things you can see, under that you should be going to be lie down for some time. Either it is the bed or table. You should lie down under the bed or you should lie down under the table to get escape from the earthquake when we are inside of the house. Now we will see our content image, then you will get the clarity about today's topic. Yeah. Yes, you can see the picture here clearly, the safety during an earthquake. How we should be safety. How we should be safe when we are in the earthquake, when earthquake occurs. Yes, earthquake can be the dangerous as they happen without any warning. Earthquake will be dangerous. Earthquake అనేది చాలా dangerous. ఎందుకంటే without warning. If suppose warning అంటే ఏంటి? If you play the football fastly, you may fall down. మీరు ఫుట్బాల్ బాగా ఫాస్ట్ గా రన్నింగ్ చేస్తూ ఆడితే మీరు కింద పడతారు అనేది చెప్పడు. దట్ ఈస్ అ వార్నింగ్. If you do something wrong, your mother will be going to punish. నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు మిస్టేక్ చేస్తే మీ మదర్ నిన్ను పనిష్ చేస్తుంది. That is nothing but warning. But here earthquake does not give us any warnings. Without intimation, without giving us warning, earthquake is going to occur on the earth. So it is a dangerous thing for us. So how should we escape from the earthquake? We will see some important guidelines to follow an earthquake. Some important guidelines to follow an earthquake. To follow an earthquake. Yes. If you observe that, hide under a table and hold to the table. Hide under a table. Where you should be going to hide? Yes, under a table. Table or bed, whatever the wooden things are there in your house, you should be going to cover under that only. And next, do not leave the building until the shaking stops. Yes, do not leave the building. Already I told you, first point, don't run out of the building during earthquake. Whenever the earthquake is started, you should not run. Always you should be going to lie down under the bench or means table or wooden things, whatever the table is there, table, otherwise bed, we should be going to lie down there itself. Hide under a table and hold to the table only. Next, do not leave the building until the shaking stops. Till the earthquake stops, we should not come out from the building. If the shaking is continuing, we will going to come out. Then we will be going to crash under our building. ఒకవేళ మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, ఎర్త్క్వేక్ వచ్చింది కదా అని సడన్ గా బయటికి రన్ చేయడం అలా చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, బిల్డింగ్ కింద పడిపోవడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటుంది. షేక్ అయినప్పుడు బిల్డింగ్ కింద పడుతుంది. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతాం, వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు క్రష్. క్రష్ అంటే ఏంటి, మనం దాంట్లో ఉండి చనిపోవడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. We are going to die. So that we should not run out of the building whenever the earth is going to shake. Earth shake అయ్యేటప్పుడు అంతసేపు మాత్రం మీరు ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో బయటికి వెళ్ళొద్దు. We should not escape from the place. Next one, move away from any windows, lights and fans as they could fall on you. Yes, in our house we are having a lot of things like fans, ceiling fans, as well as tube lights, windows, doors. These are the things which are there in our house mostly. Escape or avoid from the windows due to the shakage of the building. The windows, from the windows, glasses may fall down on our body, or ceiling fan may fall down. So whatever the things which are very heavy, those can be avoided. Means in that place we should not be there. Suppose మన ఇంట్లో ceiling fan ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, middle of the house room లో ఉంటుంది. So we should avoid the middle place of the house. ఎక్కడ ఏదో ఒక కార్నర్, we should always look after the corner and we should be going to be safe. కార్నర్ చూసుకొని ఆ ప్లేస్ లో మనం సేఫ్ ఉండడానికి ట్రై చేయాలి. కానీ ఫ్యాన్స్, లైట్స్, ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ విండోస్, కొన్ని డోర్స్, we are having the doors, two types of doors. One will be the only one door or two doors. Sometimes the two doors may fall down. ఒకసారి ఏమైతే టూ డోర్స్ ఉన్నారని బాగా ఎయిర్ కానీ బాగా షేకింగ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు they may fall down from their place, so that we should escape from them. And next one, if we are having the dining table, we will be under the dining table and we are going to hold it. మనం దాని కిందనే ఉంటాం కాబట్టి డైనింగ్ టేబుల్ పట్టుకోండి. బట్ ఎస్కేప్ ఫ్రమ్ ద చైర్స్, చైర్స్ కింద పట్టడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంది. సో ట్రై టు మూవ్ ద చైర్స్ at one place and we should be under the table. Or if possible మన ఇంట్లో 4 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు అనుకో, అందరూ ఒకే ప్లేస్ లో కాబట్టి ఒక్కొక్క ప్లేస్ లో హైడ్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంచుకోవాలి. Because earthquake does not stop immediately. It will take 1 or 2 minutes or sometimes 30 seconds. So within 30 seconds we may be going to secure at our home or in our table, under our table. Right. Next one, what is it? We could keep ourselves safe. Do you know? We could keep ourselves safe by waiting for the traffic signals to run, to turn red for cars before we cross the road. Already everyone knows that. We should follow the traffic rules. When the red light comes, we should stop, and when the green light comes, we should move. For the cars, we should always stop for the red light. Not only for the cars, we should stop bike also for red light. If it is the green light, we are ready to go. If it is yellow light, ready to stop. Okay. These are the traffic rules you should follow while you are going to outside or while you are on the road. Yes. Next, what we are going to look after? Glossary. Earthquake. Sudden shaking of a part of earth's surface is called a earthquake. Sudden shaking without unknowing, earth may be going to shake, so that it is nothing but the earthquake. Right. Now I am going to show you the earthquake image. Yes. You can see here in the first image how the road has cracked. Means the road ki gap ala vachina observe cheyochu. Next image, the buildings has, some of the old buildings has fallen down. Yes, mostly the earthquakes will occur in the Japan or any countries which are having the hard boiled under mana surface. మన ఎర్త్ లోపల కొన్ని లేయర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ లేయర్స్ లోపల హార్డ్నెస్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటే అక్కడ ఎక్కువ వేడి ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటుందో అక్కడ ఎర్త్క్వేక్స్ రావడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. సో సింగరేణీస్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దట్ ఎక్కడైతే హీట్నెస్ కోల్డ్ ఉందనుకో అది హీట్, ఐరన్ హీట్. సో టు గెట్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ మెటీరియల్స్ వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు dig the soil, dig the earth. Because of that also earthquakes may occur. First which it is on the road, second which you can see how the buildings are fallen. In the third building you can see a big apartment is going to fall down. Yes, here also you can see many buildings has collapsed. Due to the earthquake, the earth is going to shake, so that all whatever the buildings or you can say roads that are going to be damaged, and sometimes persons also or the human beings also going to be dead. So we should be safe. Always we should be safe, trying to escape from the earthquake. If the shaking is started just now, we can go out from the building. ఒకవేళ షేకింగ్ ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, జస్ట్ అట్లా అనిపించింది అనుకోండి, మనం అప్పుడు బయటకు వెళ్ళి సేఫ్ గా ఉండొచ్చు. కానీ ఒకవేళ షేకింగ్ బాగా ఎక్కువ అవుతుందంటే we should be inside the building only. Then only we will be going to leave. Okay. Next image I am going to show you how in an earthquake we could get hurt in many ways. Earthquake వచ్చినప్పుడు మనం చాలా రకాలుగా హర్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి, గాయపడడానికి కానీ ఇంజూర్ కావడానికి కానీ ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. Getting hurt while running outside the building. ఒక్కొక్కసారి బిల్డింగ్ షేక్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు మనం రన్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, బిల్డింగ్ మొత్తం కొలాప్స్ అయి మన మీద పడడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఎక్కువ. Getting hurt by falling a ceiling fan. ఇంట్లో ఉన్నాం అనుకోండి, సీలింగ్ ఫ్యాన్స్, ట్యూబ్ లైట్స్, విండోస్, డోర్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి దూరంగా ఉండాలి ఎర్త్క్వేక్ వచ్చినప్పుడు, లేకపోతే అవి మన మీద పడే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. దానివల్ల మనం ఏమవుతాం, we are going to die. So we may get hurt also. Getting crushed underneath a falling roof. ఒక్కోసారి ఏమవుతుంది, చాలా పెద్ద ఎర్త్క్వేక్ వచ్చినప్పుడు రూఫ్ అంతా మన మీద పడి we may going to be die also. Crushed అంటే ఏంటి, pieces గా అయిపోవడం. Crushed means pieces. Nothing but the meaning that means we are going to die. These are the things which are being in our earthquake. I am going to show you one more image. See, do you know the biggest danger in an earthquake is getting hurt by the heavy falling objects like ceiling fans and light fixtures. Most dangerous earthquake వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎందుకు చాలా మంది చనిపోవడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంటాయంటే హెవీ ఫాలింగ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్. అంటే మన ఇంట్లో ఫ్రిడ్జ్ ఉంటుంది, టీవీ ఉంటుంది, నెక్స్ట్ డోర్స్, విండోస్, ట్యూబ్ లైట్స్, ఫ్యాన్స్, సో మెనీ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ అవర్ హౌస్. సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వి షుడ్ రిమూవ్. మీన్స్ రిమూవ్ చేయాలంటే అవన్నీ తీసేయమని కాదు, వి షుడ్ ఎస్కేప్ ఫ్రమ్ దెమ్. అందుకే చెప్పాను, టేబుల్ కిందికి కానీ బెడ్ కిందికి కానీ వెళ్ళి వాటిని గట్టిగా పట్టుకోవాలి. వుడెన్ ఐటమ్స్ ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటాయో వాటి మీద పట్టుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు వుడెన్ ఐటమ్ మీద ఏంటి, ఒకవేళ బై మిస్టేక్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ అండర్ ఆన్ ద టేబుల్ కింద ఉన్నాం, ఒకవేళ ఎవరైనా మీద పడ్డా, ఎక్కడ పడతాయి, టేబుల్ మీద పడతాయి, మన మీద పడతాయి. ఎస్, ఆన్ ద టేబుల్. సీలింగ్ ఫ్యాన్ కూడా పడతాను, టేబుల్ మీద పడుతుంది, మన మీద పడుతుంది. సో వి ఆర్ సేఫ్. లైట్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ ఏదైనా ఇఫ్ వి ఆర్ అండర్ ద టేబుల్ వి షుడ్ బి గోయింగ్ టు బి లీవ్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి, ఎట్లా ఫస్ట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు డ్రాప్ అంటే కిందికి, సెకండ్ కవర్ చేసుకోండి, థర్డ్ హోల్డ్ బాయ్. ఏదైనా ఒక 2 లెగ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, అలా హోల్డ్ చేసుకొని ఉండాలి. ఎస్, this is about our earthquake safety, how we should be safety at earthquake. Fine, I hope it was clear. Yes, fine. Kiriti, unmute nana, unmute the video also. Will you start reading the textbook?
Yes.
Page number 79. Take out the page number 79, or you can, if you read, you can see the screen and you can read also.
Earthquakes can be danger as they happen without any warning.
Warnings, yes. Some important
Important guidelines to follow during any earthquakes. Hide under a table and hold on to the table. Do not
leave the building
building until
shaking stops.
shaking stops. Shaking stops. Move away from any window, lights and fans as they could fall on you.
Yes, okay, fine, very good, Kiriti. Then you should run away from the building, or you should be under the table when it
Table.
Okay. If
Teacher, earthquakes come, houses fall down.
You can ask him Telugu, I will tell you. నువ్వు అడిగే క్వశ్చన్ నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు.
Earthquakes come, houses fall down.
Yes, yes. When the earthquake occurs, all the houses and roads, whatever there on the air, they are going to be fall down. అన్ని భూమి మీద ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఎర్త్క్వేక్ వచ్చినప్పుడు అన్ని కింద పడిపోతా ఉంటాయి. బిల్డింగ్ అనే కాదు. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆన్ ద రోడ్ క్రాక్ వచ్చి చూపించగా ఇందులో ఇమేజ్ లో గుర్తుందా?
Yes. Yes.
మనకి స్ట్రీట్ లైట్స్ కానీ లేకపోతే ఏముంటే అది మొత్తం అన్ని కింద పడడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. ఇఫ్ వీఆర్ అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనం? అండర్ ద టేబుల్ కానీ లేకపోతే అండర్ ద బెడ్ ఉంటే హెవీ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ అంటే లైట్స్ ఫ్యాన్స్ ఇంట్లో ఉన్న వస్తువులు మన మీద పడకుండా ఉంటాయి. ఒకవేళ బిల్డింగ్ కూలిపోయినా కానీ ఏమవుతుంది? హెవీ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ మీద పడుతుంది. అంటే టేబుల్ మీదనే పడుతుంది కానీ మన మీద పడదు. అంటే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? మనం సేఫ్ గా ఉండడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటాయి. అందుకోసమనే రన్ చేయకుండా ఒక ప్లేస్ లో టైట్ గా ఉండాలి. ఒకవేళ సడన్ గా షేకింగ్ కనిపించింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనం? అప్పుడు రన్నింగ్ చేయొచ్చు, బయటకు వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు, ప్రాబ్లం ఏమి ఉండదు. కానీ ఇఫ్ ద షేకింగ్ ఈస్ హై, చాలా ఎక్కువ షేకింగ్ ఉందనుకోండి, అప్పుడు మాత్రం మనం బయటకు వెళ్ళాలి. ఇంట్లోనే టేబుల్ కింద కానీ చైర్ కింద, లేకపోతే ప్లాస్టిక్ చైర్స్ కాదు, ఓన్లీ ద వుడ్ థింగ్స్ మాత్రమే. వుడ్ థింగ్స్ కి ఆ కెపాసిటీ ఉంటుంది. వీ షుడ్ బి గోయింగ్ టు సేవ్. Right? Any doubt?
No.
Okay, fine. Very good. Gagan, unmute Nana. Video also. Yes, you should read the topic.
Safety during on earthquake. Earthquake come. Earthquakes can be dangerous as they happen without any warning. Some important guidelines to follow during an
Earthquake.
Hide under the table and hold on the table. Do not leave the building until the shaking stops. Move away from any windows, lights, and fans as they could fall on you.
Okay, fine. We should run away while the building is shaking?
No, teacher.
No, we should hide under a table. We should hide under a table. Say yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, what is the meaning? Have you seen any earthquake photos? Yes, now you can see again. Are you seeing? Yes.
Yes, teacher.
How the buildings are falling down, you can see? Buildings fall out like Kampusna?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, sir. Whenever the earthquake occurs, we should be under the table. So we should escape from ceiling fan. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
We should away from the windows and doors.
No, teacher.
ఎందుకు నేను చెప్పాను కదా ఫస్ట్ ఎర్త్క్వేక్ వచ్చినప్పుడు విండోస్ డోర్స్ సీలింగ్ ఫ్యాన్ ట్యూబ్ లైట్ అవన్నిటికి దూరంగా ఉండాలి. ఆల్వేస్ వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు హైడ్ అండర్ ఏ టేబుల్. yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, fine. Good. Okay, now we have discussed about the earthquake. What is meant by earthquake and how it has come to our lives. Today we have discussed about how we should be safe during our earthquake. According to this topic, I am going to send you the worksheet which is related to your topic. Actually, the worksheet has not given in the S4 as of S4, but I am going to send you the worksheet regarding the earthquake. It is from your content textbook only. Content textbook which I am going to give the fill in the blanks. 10 fill in the blanks I am going to give you. Try to complete it and send it back by the WhatsApp children. Okay, bye. We will meet in the next class. Try to complete the worksheet. Don't forget it. Okay, bye. Yes.